In the United States, many renters find themselves frustrated by the quality of their living conditions. Nearly 43% express concerns about the safety and habitability of their rentals. But making a rental feel like home, without overspending or violating lease agreements, doesn't have to be a challenge. In this video, we'll explore practical hacks for transforming your rental space on a budget in 2024, proving that a cozy, personalized living space is within reach. As renters, we face a unique set of challenges. We want to make our space feel personal and reflective of our style, but we're often held back by restrictions on renovations and limited budgets. It can be frustrating to feel like we're stuck with a blank slate that doesn't truly feel like our own. We've all been there, staring at a blank wall, wondering how to make it more interesting without damaging the paint or losing our security deposit. One of the biggest hurdles renters face is balancing personalization with landlord restrictions. We want to make our space feel like home, but we also don't want to risk losing our deposit or facing penalties when it's time to move out. Add in a limited budget, and it can be tough to know where to spend, but by prioritizing affordable, reversible hacks, you can truly make your rental feel like home. Here's how I and my friends transformed our rentals from a blank slate into a cozy retreat, all without breaking the bank. Removable wallpaper or decals. Before I discovered peel and stick wallpaper, I was living in a rental that looked more like a hospital room than a home. Each white wall screamed temporary, and reminded me every day that I was, indeed, just passing through. But peel and stick wallpaper saved the day. For about $20 to $40 per roll, I created a vibrant accent wall, instantly adding personality to my space. Plus, installation was a breeze, and if I decide to switch things up, I can peel it right off without a trace. Best of all, I can reuse it in another room. This hack avoids paint costs and saves money on wall repairs when you move. Easy to remove and reusable, so you get maximum value across multiple spaces. Water quality improvement. Once the walls felt more personal, I turned my attention to the water, which tasted like a mix of chlorine and pennies. Not ideal. A simple pitcher filter, which runs about $30, improved both the taste and safety of my water. I even tried a faucet attachment, around $40, turning my sink into a mini water bar. Now I was saving on bottled water costs and reducing plastic waste. An easy win-win. This one-time purchase saves you from buying bottled water, making it eco-friendly and budget-friendly. Portable and simple to install, so you can take it with you when you move. Next up was the lighting. Before, my rental resembled a dimly lit dungeon. A few LED strip lights under cabinets and some plug-in wall sconces transformed the place. For around $15 to $25, I created cozy reading nooks and gave my kitchen a magazine-worthy glow. Plus, LED lights are energy efficient, so they were easy on my electricity bill. Peel and stick LED strips are reusable, making it easy to adapt your decor as inspiration, or your landlord strikes. They reduce electricity usage and bring a touch of style without rewiring costs. Cluttered countertops made my friend's space feel small, so they added adhesive-mounted shelves for about $10. These renter-friendly shelves create extra storage space without drilling holes. After that, my friend's favorite books and knickknacks have a home, and they feel like they've created a little showroom for their things. Adhesive strips are easy to swap out when you move, keeping your deposit secure. They are more affordable than installing permanent shelves and allow you to personalize without compromising space. When my friend laid out an area rug for about $30, her space transformed. It defined her living area, creating a cozy nook where her sofa lives. A small rug by the bed also made her bedroom feel like its own retreat. Plus, they're reusable in any future space, making them a great value. Rugs add a lot of visual interest for a relatively low cost and are completely reusable. Rugs are easy to roll up and move, making them ideal for renters who want to maintain a flexible decor style. Furniture covers and throws. The couch in my first rental had seen better days, but a $50 slipcover was all it took to make it feel fresh and new. Throw blankets add style, warmth, and texture, and everything was machine washable, so it was as practical as it was stylish. Cheaper than new furniture, covers extend the life of older pieces and can move with you. Slipcovers and throws are easily washable, making them a low-maintenance choice for renters with busy schedules. Command hooks for art and organization. Command hooks are my friend's go-to for hanging art and organizing small spaces. A pack costs $5 to $10 and they're removable, so no wall damage. They use them for hanging pictures, kitchen utensils, and bathroom items. Their rentals felt well organized and personal. Command hooks are an affordable way to display items or store essentials without needing repairs later. They can be reused with replacement strips, making them versatile and budget-friendly. Upgrade hardware and fixtures. Finally, one friend of mine swapped out his cabinet handles with matte black knobs for about $5 each, giving his kitchen and bathroom a fresh, modern look. He even replaced the shower head with an adjustable model for $15, making his mornings feel a bit more luxurious. These upgrades are easy to reverse when moving out, and he can take them with him to his next place. Hardware and fixtures offer a low-cost, high-impact upgrade that adds style and practicality without permanent installation. All hardware is removable, so you can change it back before you move to keep your deposit safe. Final thoughts. With each of these budget-friendly hacks, a bland rental can become a place you're proud to call home. While rental restrictions can feel limiting, small changes add up to create a functional, stylish, and inviting space. Every renter deserves a space that feels like home. These easy hacks can help make it happen. What's the best trick you've used to make your rental feel like home? Share your tips in the comments. Don't forget to explore more practical advice and rental inspiration in our other videos on the Wise to Rent channel.